Very good afternoon. Hope you all are fine. Corona कम हो रहा है ना? Yesterday I gave one tip in RAC. कोरोना को कैसा कंट्रोल करना है, याद है? Yesterday I gave volumetric efficiency. सब भूल गए देखो. You forgot everything. That mantra, yeah, volumetric efficiency बढ़ाओ, कोरोना भगाओ. कितना अच्छा पढ़ाया था, है ना? वॉल्यूमेट्रिक एफिशिएंसी बढ़ाओ, कोरोना भगाओ. Am I right? चिन्नाराव मंत्री, चिन्नाराव गारी मंत्री या चिन्नाराव मंत्री ना? చిన్నారావు గారి మంత్రి నీలంజని హంస. అమ్మో, ఏం పేర్లురా బాబు. యా, यश गुप्ता, डॉन ऑफ इंडिया. चलो अभी 1 मिनट में आई एम स्टार्टिंग. जस्ट 1 मिनट आई विल स्टार्ट. अच्छा, रेडिएशन का 1 जून न्यू बैच शुरू होगा क्या? बताता हूं. ओके, चलो. ना, नो तौफीक, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन. PYQs लगाने से पहले machine design I'm going to start, but before you go for PYQs, it's a request कि first you understand concepts. चलो, now let's not waste any more time. We'll proceed. अभी स्टार्ट करते हैं. मुरली मनोहर जोशी मनोहर. अच्छा, टॉम, कुछ जुगाड़िया इलाज करूंगा, डोंट वरी. दुर्गेश, इलाज करूंगा, डोंट वरी. अर्णब तो कभी कंफ्यूजन में ही रहता है. अर्णब नाम बहुत फेमस हो गया अर्णब का. अर्णब गोस्वामी. చిన్నారావు మంత్రి, ఏం చిన్నారావు గారు? చిన్నారావుకి మంత్రియా మీరు? చిన్నారావు మంత్రియా? चलो अब स्टार्ट करेंगे. आई एम फाइन. अर्णब चक्रवर्ती, हाउ आर यू? अर्णब, మురళి గారు బానే ఉన్నానండి. బీపీ షుగర్ ఏం రాలే ఇంకా. चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो लव यू ऑल. चलो, गौरव राज भी आ गए. थर्मो लेक्चर्स ऑन प्लस आई हैव मैसेज ऑन व्हाट. ओके, श्रीकांत, कंफ्यूजन ఎందుకు నాయనా? వీరవల్లి, यश. चलो sir, you are best. I don't know, even best can be replaced. Underline that sentence. Even the best. RAC is going on great. Thank you. मुझे पता है. Even the best. Yeah, Aishwarya Sharma. Okay, I do remember. Even the best can be replaced. Always remember, even the best can be replaced. So these are all my details. If you want, you can take. जरूरी है, otherwise छोड़ दीजिए. If you want, you can take care of this. Otherwise leave it. If you want, you can take all this. Otherwise leave it. No problem at all. Otherwise leave it. चलो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. पता नहीं थोड़े लोग क्या करते हैं ना, they come, join, in 1 minute they leave. I don't know what. Thank you, Shubham Mishra. Thank you. The special classes series on Belton Wheel is awesome. Thank you. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं और today we'll see something beautiful. I'll try my level best. I'm not saying I'm the best. I never said. But one thing याद रख लेना, even the best can be replaced at any moment. चलो. That's why you have to be always careful. चलो. अब ध्यान से सुनो बेटे. Let us not waste time. So, and it's a request to all of you. It's I have not met any teacher like you. Oh my God, thank you. So, it's a request to all of you. कि थोड़े लोग क्या करते हैं? Some students, what they do, you know, today they miss all earlier classes of Milton Mill and they attend now. So already I gave you everything. Now it is interlinked. It is in continuation to my old classes. And you people say, अरे समझ में नहीं आया. तो मैं क्या करूं बेटा? Please, if you are attending continuously and regularly, if you don't understand, then you catch my collar. है ना? Okay, chalo. Now, you have seen the profile of the blade. Okay. Now, some students by heart certain things. Listen carefully. When you by heart certain things, how dangerous it is. अब आज देखने जा रहे हैं. टी शर्ट में कॉलर नहीं दिए जी, क्या करते हैं हम, यही टी शर्ट पहनना पड़ता है हर रोज, है ना? प्लीज ताफिक आ रहा हूं, डोंट वरी प्लीज. पहले सुनो ताफिक, दिस इज नॉट रेगुलर क्लास, होल डेप्थ, है ना? समझ गए? ओके ओके, होप यू अंडरस्टूड. ताफिक इज माय, क्या बोलते हैं, बिगेस्ट फैन. ताफिक भाई, वन ऑफ माय बिगेस्ट फैंस, और मैं उनका एसी हूं, है ना? दिस इज अवर यू. एंड जो कल पढ़े वही बता रहा हूं मैं. Yeah. Please listen. Yesterday I have drawn the velocity triangle. So in Pelton wheel, the inlet velocity triangle is, I repeat, no more comments please. Ab hum seriously, we are into the subject. Seriously, we are into the subject because I have to cover so many things. The inlet velocity triangle is a straight line. Okay. Okay, thank you अंकित, आर्यन, thank you. लेकिन मैं तो रेगुलर क्लासेस में तो 5 घंटे पढ़ाता हूं, प्लीज और डेप्थ मिलेगा आपको. एंड ये किस वेलोसिटी से आएगा बोलो? एनीवन? किस वेलोसिटी से बाहर आएगा ये? It will come out with relative velocity. Okay, no problem at all. No problem at all. Listen carefully. My dear students, if you see Pelton wheel, the blades are evenly spread over the runner or rotor or wheel. So observe carefully. जब fluid blade के passages से जा रहा है, listen carefully, listen carefully. When the fluid is flowing through blade passages due to friction, अरे यार blade है तो blade के passages से जा रहा है, due to blade friction, there is a chance of reduction of relative velocity. फिर से बता रहा हूं, सुनो. Ideally, I repeat, ideally, the relative velocity remains constant in impulse turbines. But if definitely there will be friction, friction के कारण, because of friction, the relative velocity will decrease in impulse turbines. Look at, let K be the blade friction factor. Blade friction factor. So that can be written as VR2 by VR1. Inlet relative velocity, outlet relative velocity. No comments, please. Okay, exactly. And everyone knows ड्यू टू फ्रिक्शन, क्योंकि इनलेट पे आ रहा है, निकल के जा रहा है, सो देयर विल बी फ्रिक्शन अलोंग द ब्लेड्स, सो ड्यू टू फ्रिक्शन द रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी मे इंक्रीज। तो इसीलिए रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी एट द एग्जिट इज लेस देन एट द इनलेट। सो व्हाट इज VR2 by VR1? डेफिनेटली ये कम है, ये ज्यादा है, सो वैल्यू ऑफ k विल बी लेस देन 1। In examination, if nothing is mentioned about blade friction factor, you take it as 1. So I write ideally in brackets no friction, k is equal to 1 implies VR2 is equal to VR1. If nothing is mentioned, then you take VR2 is equal to VR1. If blade friction factor is given, it will be less than 1. So exit relative velocity friction के कारण घट रहा है. Okay, no problem at all. Now let us draw exit triangle. अब देखो, कल बताया था, yesterday I explained everything clearly. This is my blade velocity. Now, you know, this is the closing side. Everything I explained yesterday clearly. Now observe here. Please observe, my dear students. So it is coming out at VR2, and I told you this as beta 2, and this is my blade speed u, and this is, look at, so closing side VR2 u का resultant क्या होगा? Yesterday I explained all this. VR2 u, the resultant of VR2 and u is absolute velocity, that is my V2. So 2 stands for exit, 1 stands for inlet. So I told you very clearly, absolute velocity V has 2 parts. 2 बच्चे होते हैं उनका, एक होता है whirl component, एक होता है flow component. So you resolve this into 2 components. देखो किसको resolve कर रहा है आप? V2 को, absolute velocity को. I'm resolving. So the tangential component, this you call it as VW2. तो इसका V2 tangential component, V2 tangential component, it is VW2, and this is VF2. This is VF2. ये है VF2, ये है VW2, ये है VF2, ये है VW2. Hope you have understood. All of you, have you understood? Because all these are yesterday's concepts. Absolute velocity V has 2 components. One is tangential component, which we call it as whirl. One is flow component, which we call it as VF. This is V. Absolutely no problem at all. Please tell me, is it clear? If you have please not attended earlier classes, so it is difficult, I am telling you. Yahan tak I think there is no problem. Now I'll tell you certain golden points. Please, now I'll tell you some golden points. What are the golden points? Let's see. Listen, what are the golden points? Let's see. This is one velocity triangle. अब देखो बेटे, अगर u का वैल्यू ज्यादा होगा, listen carefully. Okay, here I'll draw. I'm drawing. No worries. This is one triangle. Look at, this is our exit V2, U2, and this is our, sorry, this is VR2, I'm sorry, because it leaves at relative velocity. ये तो बताया था, and this is my V2. Look at, my dear students, agar there are different possibilities. The problem with you is you by heart and live. There are different possibilities. I'll show you what are the possibilities. This is one possibility. Second possibility. Obviously, this is VR2. If U value is more, agar U ka value zyada hai, to it will extend. Now, closing side. Yes, ये भी possible है. So this will be our U. This is VR2 and this is resultant V2. This is one possibility. Now, the other possibility is this is our U. The closing side, फिर से बता रहा हूं सुनो. This is VR2, this is VR2, VR2, this is U2, and closing side should be in the opposite direction. This will be our V2. So there are three possibilities. Let us understand all the three possibilities. In all the cases, my inlet triangle is absolutely same. Uska koi problem nahi hai. In all the cases, my inlet triangle is same, which is a straight line. In all the three cases, inlet triangle. So there is no problem with inlet triangle. And this is my V1, which is also VW1. And there is U, this is VR. Similarly, same draw kar raha hu. This is V1, which is VW1. This is V1, which is VW1. This is our VR. And this is, sorry, this is our U. Next second. Same. And this is our VR1. This is our U. And this is same. Inlet triangle में कोई change नहीं. अब देखना. Look at it. There are these are the possibilities. These are the possibilities. Please tell me, are these three triangles clear or not clear? If it is not clear, I'll explain again. Bolo sirs. See, you are not responding positively. Please tell me, is it clear? There are three possibilities. Ab aaiye. Very good. Thank you. Now have a look at this. Let us resolve V2 into two parts. V2 को दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना. ये हो गया VW2, ये हो गया VF2. वेरी गुड. इधर देखना, इट इज डायरेक्टली इन दिस डायरेक्शन. इसका कोई हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट नहीं है. सो दिस इज आल्सो इक्वल टू VF2. In this case, VW2 is 0. There is no tangential component क्योंकि ये पूरा completely straight हो गया. Please observe. If it is like this, it has this component. But if it is completely like this, there is no perpendicular component. That's why VW2 is 0. VW2 is 0 in this case. इधर देखना. You resolve this into two. तो इसका, look at इसका tangential component. Look at, for this is our tangential component and this is our flow component. Look at carefully. So V2 has two components. Look at the direction of VW2. Can anyone tell what is the direction? Idhar dekho bete. V2 is like this. So when V2 is like this, listen, no comments. When V2 is like this, its tangential component will be towards left. So इस केस में VW2 is in the opposite direction क्योंकि इसका component इस आप जान रहे ना इसका component क्या होगा. If you resolve, this is vertical and this is horizontal. So the horizontal is tangential component which is in the left direction. इसमें left है, इसमें तो VW2 0 है. And in this, what is the direction of VW2? Look at, if this is V2, its tangential component will be towards right. If this is V2, its tangential component will be towards right. So therefore, in this case, VW2 is towards right. So understand carefully. In these two triangles, 1, 2, 3. In 1 and 3, directions of VW2 are opposite. They are not same. Arey yaar, all of you, have you followed, my dear students? Please tell me, is it clear? Isme it is towards right, and in this it is towards left. Please understand carefully. If you have attended my earlier classes, I gave you one equation. The power developed by the runner or rotor. Euler's मेरा एक class attend करना. That is special class on principle of rotodynamic machines. I have derived one equation. The power developed by this runner, because ये सारे किस पे है? Look at, these are all, देखो, this is the runner. So the power developed by the runner, is m dot into VW1U1 minus VW2U2. This equation I have already derived in my earlier classes. तो अगर आप continuous classes नहीं देख रहे हैं तो you will be in problems. This I have already derived. This is known as Euler's equation of a rotodynamic machine. And the assumption made for in deriving this equation is the flow should be steady. I think I had explained. Please tell me, are we clear? देखो बेटे, please listen. मैं आपको एक golden point बताऊंगा. Please listen. देखो बेटे, fluid is entering means look at carefully. Logic देखना. Please look at the logic. Let the pitch circle diameter, let it be equal to d. तो यहां पे, so what will be the blade velocity? Blade velocity u is pi d n by 60. All this I had explained. सुनो बेटे ध्यान से, fluid ऐसे आके ऐसे जा रहा है. Fluid is coming, it's like this. इधर देखो, please observe here. Look at, fluid is coming and leaving. I'll show you like this. इधर देखा, fluid आ रहा है. Let us assume that, एक second please. ये देखो, अंडरस्टैंड केयरफुली. यहां पे वेन है, देखो फ्लूइड आ रहा है, आके स्प्लिट होके जा रहा है. मींस इट इज नाइदर मूविंग रेडियली इन नॉर रेडियली आउट. सुनो, देयरफॉर इट इज नाइदर रेडियली इन नॉर रेडियली आउट. सो यहीं पे एंटर, यहीं से एंटर होके ऐसा निकल के आ रहा है. मतलब एंट्री और एग्जिट एक ही डायमीटर पे हो रहा है. तो व्हेन द डायमीटर इज नॉट चेंजिंग, एंट्री इज 1, exit is 2. So देखो एक बार, so it is enter, यहाँ पे blade है. Look at, here we have a blade. Okay, इधर देखना, here we have a blade. तो देखो बेटे, here we have blade. Enter हो रहा है और split होके ऐसे आ रहा है. तो entry, और एक सेकंड मैं और क्लियर करूंगा, एक सेकंड. Yeah, please look at, please observe here. See, हो क्या रहा है? Look at, it is entering here and leaving like this. Look at, so the fluid is entering means इस डायमीटर पे एंटर हो रहा है और स्प्लिट होके इसी डायमीटर पे एंट्री. you see this point and this point, you see this point and this point, they are at the same diameter. It is entering and leaving. I repeat. तो अरे नमूने, देखो, हाँ, अरे चुप, तू हालू ना को बोलो. हाँ, so it is entering and leaving. देखो, please observe here, it is entering and leaving. तो ये दोनों पॉइंट्स, देखो एक बात, ये दोनों पॉइंट्स एक ही डायमीटर पे है. मींस एंट्री इज d1, exit is also, means इसी डायमीटर पे. If you see only at this limit, it is entering and leaving. So the diameter is, if you see the diameter is same. So therefore the diameter is not changing. So can anyone tell what will be d1 and d2? Please observe. Or yaar, you are not saying anything. It is entering and leaving like this. तो इसी डायमीटर पे एंटर हो रहा है. तो can we write u1 is equal to u2? बोलो सर. So therefore in Pelton wheel, u1 is equal to u2 is equal to pi dn by 60. Hope you have understood. Please tell me, is it clear? Is it clear, my dear students? Yes. Excellent. Now the runner power is m dot, no comments, m dot. u1 u2 are same, let me write it as u. u1 u2 are same, let me write it as u. तो ये दोनों को बाहर ले लेना. So therefore vw1 minus vw2 into u. थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनो बेटे, आपको क्या चाहिए बोलो. I want more power. Yes or no? My turbine should develop more power. Let us see, if you want more power, what should be the blade configuration? ध्यान से सुनो बेटे. I want more power, maximum power. अब देखो. See, what is the direction of VW1? Suno, what is the direction of VW1? Right. What is the direction of VW2? Idhar dekho. What is the direction of VW2? What is the direction of VW2? Left. VW2 is left. Here VW2 to 0 hai. Now look at, what is the direction of VW1? VW1, 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 right, right, right. And what is the direction of VW2? VW2, it is right. Both in this triangle, VW1 and VW2. VW1 and VW2. VW1 and VW2 in the same direction. VW1 and VW2. VW1 is right, VW2 is left. VW1 is right, VW2 is left. VW1 and VW2 are of opposite direction. Very good, my dear students. Opposite direction. Ab dekhna. Please look at. In case 1, please listen carefully. In case 1, I will write the runner power is m dot into VW1. Please look at, my dear students. VW1, VW2, in this case, they are opposite. So I will write VW2 is minus VW2. Can anyone tell why you wrote minus? Because VW1 and VW2 are of opposite side. Hope you have understood. So in this case, I can write, in case 1, the runner power is VW1 minus or minus is plus VW2 into U. This is my case 1. Let's go to case 2. Runner power is M. This is the runner power. Let's go to case 2. M dot into VW1 minus VW2. What is VW2 in case 2? There is no VW2. In case 2, there is no VW2. It is 0 into U. So in case 2, runner power is M dot into VW1U. Let's go to case 3. Case 3. Look at carefully. The runner power is M dot into VW1 and both are in the same direction. Both are in the same direction. So when they are in the same direction, the same equation I'll use, VW2 into U's. This is for case 3. All of you, have you followed? Please tell me. And that's why I said do not by heart equations. Do not by heart equations. Please tell me, are we clear? Ab mujhe batao. This is case 1. This is case 2. This is case 3. In which case do you get more power? More power. यहाँ पे माइनस है तो कम हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे VW2 0 है, यहाँ पे प्लस है. So definitely for maximum power, case 1 is preferred. बोलो रे. Is this clear? So for maximum power, case 1 is preferred. That's why, my dear students, when I calculate the maximum efficiency of blade, when I calculate maximum blading efficiency, I will be using this condition, but not this condition. अरे अल्लाह, या अल्लाह, ये लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं रे? आ गया या नहीं? So when you are calculating for maximum efficiency, I'll be using this equation. I'll be using this equation because this is giving me maximum power. Very good. Awesome. तो अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now we'll proceed, my dear students. Now we'll proceed. So what is the runner power for maximum efficiency? अब देखना. What is the runner power? It is M dot into VW1 plus VW2. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम स्टूडेंट्स के साथ है, वो रटते हैं M dot VW1 minus VW2. If both are of opposite direction, it will be plus. If both are in the same direction, it will be minus. If VW1 is 0, VW2 is 0, then directly एक ही आएगा. इसलिए आप रटो मत. When I start doing questions, अगर टाइम परमिट करता है तो स्पेशल क्लास में करूंगा, लेकिन रेगुलर क्लासेस में तो मैं सारे केसेस करूंगा, तब आपको पता चलेगा व्हेन यू बाय हार्ट हाउ डेंजर इट इज, हाउ डेंजरस इट इज. This is your मैक्सिमम पावर के लिए. स्टॉप बेटे, प्लीज स्टॉप. स्टॉप बेटे. हाँ प्लीज, आप कमेंट मत करना, कमेंट मत करना. नाउ लेट अस गो फॉर blade efficiency. What is that efficiency? Blade efficiency. Sometimes we also call it as diagram efficiency. फिर से बता रहा सुनो, इस ब्लेड एफिशिएंसी को डायग्राम एफिशिएंसी भी बोलते हैं. क्यों ऐसा बोलते हैं आज हम देखेंगे. सुनो बेटे ध्यान से, ये हमारा रनर है. अब यहां से nozzle, can anyone tell what is V1? It is the velocity with which the fluid is coming out from the nozzle. So फिर से बताओ सुनो, what is V1? What is V1? जिस velocity से fluid is coming out from the nozzle, which we also call it as spouting velocity, jet velocity, or absolute velocity of the fluid at the inlet to the blade. V1 को क्या बोलेंगे? स्पाउटिंग वेलोसिटी, जेट वेलोसिटी, एब्सोल्यूट वेलोसिटी एट नोजल इनलेट. एब्सोल्यूट वेलोसिटी एट नोजल इनलेट. चलो सुनो बेटे ध्यान से, मतलब I told you very clearly, in impulse turbines, when the fluid flows through these veins, इससे जब मूव होगा तो only dynamic action, because of this velocity the power is developed. मतलब हमारा ये टकराएगा, ये fluid nozzle से आके, from nozzles this fluid is coming and hitting and causing the rotation, and therefore this runner is developing power, and that runner power is known as PR, and that is your m dot into VW1 plus or minus VW2 into U. Why your teacher wrote plus or minus? क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं है ब्लेड का कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, अगर ये केस 1 है या केस 2 है या केस 3 है. So this is valid for all. Simply if you write plus, you'll be out of the race. So you write plus or minus. क्या आपको समझ में आया बेटा सबको? So this is known as runner power. This is known as runner power. Because of this, it is developing. Because of this, it is developing, and that is known as runner power. So ध्यान से सुनो बेटे. These are the blades. तो क्या हो रहा है? My fluid is coming and hitting blades. So my blades, after rotation, developing power. So मुझे बताओ. Now I write this blade complete. देखो, this blade efficiency, because these blades are mounted on the rotor, and the rotor is rotating, and it is developing this much power. This is developing this much power. It is developing this much power. It is developing this much power. Okay. Now observe here. Observe here. So because of this input, kinetic energy, the runner is developing power. So what is blade efficiency? ब्लेड के लिए जो इनपुट है और ब्लेड के का जो आउटपुट है, सो दैट इज नोन एज रनर और ब्लेड एफिशिएंसी. रनर एफिशिएंसी और ब्लेड एफिशिएंसी. व्हाई डू वी कॉल इट एज डायग्राम एफिशिएंसी? अभी बताऊंगा. देखो दिस रनर इज रोटेटिंग एंड डेवलपिंग पावर. हाउ मच पावर इट इज डेवलपिंग? दिस मच. सो आउटपुट इज रनर पावर एंड द इनपुट इज काइनेटिक एनर्जी. तो ये काइनेटिक एनर्जी है. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ओनली इट इज डेवलपिंग पावर. सो ब्लेड एफिशिएंसी, these are on the blade. So blade efficiency is output. This is output and this is input. This is my rotor. This is output runner power, and the input is absolute velocity. So output by input, they are mounted on the blades. So this blade efficiency is output by input, output by input, output by input. So now I read the blade efficiency is given by the runner power is m dot into VW1 plus or minus VW2 into U by, this is already run kinetic energy, half m v1 square, because my input kinetic energy is this. So if it is dot, it will be dot. So ye dot dot nikal jayega. So the blade efficiency is given by, don't talk, the blade efficiency is given by, ye 2 upar jayega, 2u into, this 2 will sit at the top, there is u, vw1 plus or minus vw2 by v1 square. This is my equation. This is my equation. So now what we do is, dhyan se suno, the blade efficiency is given by, bolo ek baar, 2u already I have given, vw1 plus or minus vw2 by v1 square. Excellent. Please stop. Now what we do is, I will try to find out the condition for maximum efficiency. Now I write condition for maximum blading efficiency. Maximum blade efficiency. Very good. Don't worry, I'll explain why it is known as diagram power, diagram efficiency. Don't worry. So we will discuss the condition for maximum efficiency. Idhar dekho. Wait, yeah, totally different. They are totally different. Abhi bataunga. Wait for some time. It is totally different. It is totally different. Hydraulic efficiency, blade efficiency, both are totally different. Today only I'll explain. Hydraulic. Dekho, hydraulic, blade efficiency, mechanical efficiency, overall efficiency, all these are totally different. And you will have clarity of all these efficiencies in a crystal clear manner, but you need patience. तो अब हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे कंडीशन फॉर मैक्सिमम एफिशिएंसी. एंड प्लीज ऑब्जर्व, लेट मी ड्रॉ इनलेट ट्रायंगल. ऑल ऑफ यू होल्ड ऑन, लेट मी ड्रॉ इनलेट ट्रायंगल. आई एम नॉट राइटिंग u1 because u1 u2 are same, that's why I wrote u. This is my v1, which is also vw1. This is vr1. Now tell me, do I know the value of VW1? Idhar dekho, do I know the value of VW1? Yes. What is VW1? What is VW1? V1. V1. Now I should take, if you want maximum efficiency, ये maximum कब होगा? Definitely जब ये plus है, when it is plus, then only it will be maximum. So it will be 2u into VW1 plus VW2 by V1 square. Excellent. Now this is V1, तो VW1 हो गया. अब देखो VW2. Let's see. You already know the outlet. I have to take case 1 or case 2 or case 3. Case 1. So I am drawing velocity triangles for case 1. इधर देखना. Don't worry. Don't worry. This is VR2. U2 का मतलब UE होगा. This is V2, this is beta 2, and we know that this is VW2 and this is VF2. Now please tell me, my dear students, can I write, ये तो right angle triangle है ये, this is 90 degree. Right. Can I write VR, this can be written as VR2 cos beta 2. लिख सकते हम क्या? इसको लिख सकते हैं? Can we write? You are not saying anything. Can we write? ये तो VR opposite, ये sin होगा. VF2 को क्या लिखेंगे? VR2 sin लिखेंगे. So what can we write this? This is VR2 cos beta 2. VR2 cos beta 2 is equal to, VR2 cos beta 2 is equal to U plus VW2. Or VW2 will be equal to VR2 cos beta 2 minus U. VW2 is equal to VR2 cos beta 2 minus U. Excellent. So VW2 is equal to VR2 cos beta 2 minus U. Just now I told you that K is equal to VR2 by VR1. Or VR2 is equal to K VR1. Can anyone tell what is K? Blade friction coefficient or blade friction factor. Is it clear? So what will be the value of K? It will be less than 1. Okay. So VW2 is equal to VR2. What is VR2? What is VR2? It will be K VR1 cos beta 2 minus U. Excellent. So VW2 is equal to K. What is VR1? Anyone? What is VR1? इधर देखना. From this triangle, what is VR1? What is VR1? VR1 is V1 minus U. VR1 is V1 minus U. VR1 is V1 minus U. Excellent. So therefore VR1 is V1 minus U. VR1 होगा into cos beta 2 minus U. Now let us go for the blading efficiency or diagram. Why do we call it as diagram efficiency? The reason is all these I am calculating from velocity diagram. I am calculating these power from velocity diagram. That's why it is known as blade efficiency or diagram efficiency. Velocity diagram से मैं calculate कर रहा हूँ. That's why it is known as blade or diagram efficiency. Excellent, my dear friends. So K into what is blading efficiency? इधर देखना. What is blading efficiency? I am taking up this equation. I am taking up this equation. It will be 2U into VW1 maximum के लिए it should be plus, okay, by V1 square. Okay, so the blade efficiency is given by 2U into what is VW1? इधर देख रहा. What is VW1? It is V1. What is VW1? It is VW1 is V1 plus VW2. इधर देखो. What is VW2? VW2 K into V1 minus U cos beta 2 minus U. That is our VW2 into U by V1 square. So blade efficiency is given by 2U into V1 minus U. This is V1 minus U. यहाँ पे V1 minus U है. तो I'll take common. तो क्या बचेगा? V1 minus U is 1 plus V1 minus U. K cos beta 2. U तो already ले चुके हैं, है ना? Again, why should we write U? Because already one U is there. Already एक बार U लिए. So therefore, why should we write twice? Okay, already U तो लिख लिए by V1 square. Please tell me, till now is it clear? All of you, till now is it clear? Stop. So I will write this as देखो 2 U V1. I'm taking U inside U V1 minus U into U square by V1 square into 1 plus K cos beta 2. So therefore the blade efficiency is given by 2 into, so इसको split करना, you split this V1 square V1, so it will be U by V1 minus U by V1 का whole square, U by V1, so it will be U square by V1 square into 1 plus K cos beta 2. So therefore, let U by V1 be rho. It is known as blade speed ratio. It is known as blade speed ratio. So the blade efficiency is given by 2 into U by V1 is rho. U by V1 is rho. It is rho square into 1 plus K cos beta 2. Therefore, the blade efficiency is given by 2 into rho minus rho square into 1 plus K cos beta 2. Now, please stop, my dear students. Please look at carefully. I want maximum efficiency. Whenever you want something maximum or minimum, you have to differentiate with variable and equate it to 0. What is rho? It is U by V1. It is known as blade speed ratio. क्योंकि ना ये velocity ratio है, therefore it is known as blade speed ratio. Stop. ध्यान से सुनो. K is a constant. Look at it. Please observe. Yesterday I have shown you very clearly. The jet is coming. धीरे धीरे. It is deflecting like this. So if you know, my dear students, it is deflection angle, and you know this is देखो, and this is blade angle. Look at carefully. Please understand carefully. The common sense says here logic is very important. Now, whatever I am teaching, this logic is very, very important. Now, the common sense is बहुत required है. Now, please observe here. Now, tell me, when do you expect the maximum value? Okay, मैक्सिमम वैल्यू अब देखते हैं। चलो, नाउ प्लीज ऑब्जर्व, द ब्लेड एंगल इज फिक्स्ड। आई टेल यू व्हाट, एक 3 मिनट दे दो मुझे। द ब्लेड एंगल इज फिक्स्ड, व्हाई इट इज फिक्स्ड आई विल टीच यू, डोंट वरी। Why it is fixed, I'll teach you. The blade angle is fixed, k is constant, ये constant है. The only variable is what? Beta. So for rho, so for maximum blading efficiency, can anyone tell the condition? Differentiate variable, differentiate the efficiency with variable and equate to it to 0. Tabhi math, it's very simple mathematics. Why if you want maximum, differentiate with variable and equate it to 0. So differentiate d, okay, by d rho is 2 into differentiation of rho is 1, rho square is 2 rho into 1 plus k cos beta 2, and this should be equal to 0. Means 1 minus 2 rho is 0, or rho is equal to half. Means for maximum efficiency, the blade speed ratio must be half. For maximum efficiency, the blade speed ratio must be half. Now I am going to teach you certain things beyond your imagination. देखो एक बार. Now I write maximum blade efficiency. So this is actually the condition. This is the condition for maximum blading. ये condition है. If I put the condition here, I'll get maximum. So 2 into rho. What is rho? Half. Rho square. 1 by 2 square means 4. Rho is half, rho square is 1 by 2 square into 1 plus k cos beta 2. So therefore, the maximum blading efficiency is given by 2 into, so LCM le lena, so 2 into 2, 4, 2 minus 1 is, so 1 by 4 into 1 plus k cos beta 2. So therefore, the maximum blading efficiency is given by, 2 ones to 1 plus k cos beta 2 by 2. Excellent. Now stop, my dear students. Can anyone tell when do you expect maximum? तो ये maximum के लिए ये तो constant है, ये भी constant है. तो if you want maximum, what should be this cost value? Cost value must be maximum. Cost value must be maximum. When is cost value maximum? When is cost value maximum? When the angle is 0. What is the maximum value of cost? The maximum value of cos is 1. So when is that possible? When the angle is 0. Means jab beta 2 0 ho gaya, you get maximum efficiency. Let us see the physical meaning of beta 2 0. Suno bete dhyan se. Look at, my dear students, what is the meaning of beta 2 0? Suno bete. Please, no comments. Look at. This is actually my beta 2. And you know, this is, sure you can attend with pleasure. This is theta. Can anyone tell what is theta? It is the, अभी आए तो समझ में नहीं आएगा. You attend from the beginning. This is the 4th class on Pelton wheel. So please attend regularly तो समझ में आएगा. So what is this jet deflection angle? प्लीज सिविल के कैंडिडेट जो भी, मतलब whoever it may be, जो अभी आए तो पहले से अटेंड करना तो समझ में आएगा, अदरवाइज इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. जेट डिफ्लेक्शन एंगल. लुक एट माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. तो अंडरस्टैंड केयरफुली व्हाट इज बीटा 2. द टोटल एंगल इज 180 minus 180 minus theta will be beta 2. Now tell me, when is beta 2 0? When is beta 2 0? जब बीटा 2 0 है, इसका मतलब थीटा is how much? Beta 2 is 0. Why beta 2 is 0? Because when beta 2 is 0, my efficiency will be maximum. तो I am checking practically. So देखो 0 है तो क्या होगा, इधर देखा. When beta 2 is 0, theta will be equal to how much? 180 degree. What do you mean by theta is equal to 180? इधर देखो बेटे, means अब देखना, देखो jet is coming like this, deflect होके, so this is 180 degree, this is 180 degree deflection, this is 180 degree deflection, मतलब ऐसा आके ऐसा आ रहा है. जब ऐसा आएगा तो क्या होगा देखो, प्लीज ऑब्जर्व. when it is 180 degree, when it is coming like this, जब ये इधर आएगा, when it is rotating like this because of this force it is trying to rotate. जब ये rotate हो रहा है तो ये नीचे आएगा, जब ये नीचे आएगा this will hit. If it is 180 degree, जब ये anti clockwise rotate होते जाएगा, this will exert a retarding force. अरे यार आपको समझ में आया या नहीं आया? If it is 180 degree, please observe यार. अरे नहीं यार आप लोगों को समझ में, you are not following my dear students. फिर से बता रहा सुनो. I tell you, क्योंकि ना simple things are always complicated. जेट आ रहा है, इधर देखो. What is the direction of rotation? देखो, there should be a torque in the anti-clockwise direction. इधर देखो. So this is the deflection. मान लो some angle. So when the deflection is 180 degree, मुझे समझ में आता है. Some students have not followed क्योंकि नहीं इतना simple है. तो मैं बोल रहा हूं अगर ये ऐसा आ रहा है, so please observe, this is the jet deflection. अगर 180 डिग्री हो रहा है तो आपको 180 भी नहीं पता तो कॉन्सेप्ट कैसे आएंगे? तो ये ऐसे जा रहा है and it is coming like this. तो what is the deflection in this case? इसमें deflection क्या हुआ? What is the deflection in this case? ये 180 डिग्री. अगर ये 180 डिग्री होता है तो ये क्या करेगा? If it is 180, so it is trying to rotate in anti-clockwise direction, but 180 degrees ये आके इसको हिट करेगा. तो instead of rotating this, it is causing उल्टा retarding motion. अरे यार मैं कैसे बताऊं बेटा आपको? इधर देखो, इधर आप, some students are really weak. ऐसे क्या रहेंगे? ऐसे सीरीज ऑफ वेन्स रहेंगे. अगर वो डिफ्लेक्ट होके ऐसा जाएगा तो जो कमिंग वेन है, जो आने वाला है, उसको उल्टा हिट करेगा. अरे यार कैसे बताऊं आपको? ठीक, तो अरे 180 नहीं है तो निकल जाएगा यार. इफ इट इज नॉट डिफ्लेक्टिंग 180, इट विल मूव आउट. बट इफ इट इज 180, उसको रिवर्स आना पड़ेगा. इसको ये देखो, ये हिट कर रहा है. इट इज हिटिंग मींस इट इज कॉजिंग एंटी क्लॉकवाइज रोटेशन. अगर ये डिफ्लेक्ट होके उल्टा आएगा, इफ इट इज कमिंग लाइक दिस, इसको उल्टा एक्सर्ट करेगा. सो इट विल एक्सर्ट लाइक दिस, बट एक्चुअली इट शुड मूव लाइक दिस. सो दिस, इफ इट इज 180, इट विल कॉज अ रिटार्डिंग मोशन. अरे यार थोड़े लोगों को समझ में ही नहीं आया ये. इसीलिए मैं ऑफलाइन क्लास में आते हैं ना, पूरा मेरा मॉडल लेके मैं बताता हूं. So those who are, so in my classroom, in my CAME classroom, I'll show with models. So how it is interfering. All of you, have you followed? मैं क्या करूं आपको? Is it clear? Clear हो गया? Very good. Very good. So therefore, we never keep it how much? 180 degree. We never keep it 180 degree because if it is kept 180, it will hit the next vein, coming vein, and cause retarding force. हाँ, exactly गौरव. So इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूं आपको, please note down. That's why I have not differentiated with beta. You may be saying, sir, beta से क्यों differentiate नहीं किए? The reason is beta is generally fixed to 15 degree. Beta is generally fixed to 15 degree. So इसीलिए this is the equation for what? Maximum efficiency. So 1 plus k cos beta 2 by 2. अगर फ्रिक्शन नहीं है तो k को क्या लेंगे? 1 ले लेंगे. If k is 1, it will be 1 plus cos beta 2 by 2. If there is no friction, it will be 1 plus cos beta 2 by 100. 1 plus cos beta 2 by 100. All of you, have you followed? All of you, have you followed, my dear students? नहीं आया समझ में थोड़े लोगों को? अरे यार, have you followed? Now let us try to draw, my dear students. सुनो मुझे बताओ, who has to develop power? देखो, who has to develop power? My fluid from the nozzle should hit the blade and cause the rotation of blades. फिर से बता रहा हूं, सुनो. Who has to develop power? Turbine. Where is turbine? मतलब रनर हैज टू डेवलप. तो रनर पे क्या है? ब्लेड है. तो हु इज हिटिंग ब्लेड्स? फ्लूइड. फ्रॉम वेयर इट इज कमिंग? नोजल. मतलब नोजल से फ्लूइड आके हिट करेगा, तभी तो पावर डेवलप होगा. अरे यार, so please observe, you are here, इधर देखो, you are here. This should come and hit you. जब ये हिट करेगा, इसको घुमाएगा. That's why the power is developed by this. मैं आपको एक बात बता रहा हूं, ये जा रहा है, ये भी जा रहा है, दोनों सेम वेलोसिटी से जा रहा है. Is this developing any power on this? Is this developing any power on this? दोनों एक देखो, इधर देखो. पावर कब डेवलप होगा? ये आके हिट करेगा. When this is coming and hitting, तब रोटेट होगा. जब दोनों मूव हो रहे हैं, is the power developed by this? No, because power should be developed by hitting the blades. अब देखना. Now let's take, my dear students, एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल ले लेंगे. Listen carefully. Look at. Here we are taking blade speed ratio, U by V1. Let us take U is equal to 0. Can anyone tell what is U is equal to 0? Means U is blade speed. Blade rotate ही नहीं हो रहा. जब blade rotate ही नहीं होगा, power develop होगा. I repeat, my dear students. Let U be 0. Let U be 0. What is U? Blade speed. If blade is not at all rotating, nozzles are fluid is coming from the nozzle and hitting, but we are fixing. मैं इसको इधर देखो, nozzle आके hit कर रहा है, मैं इसको पकड़ लिया. Blade velocity is 0. Nozzle is hitting. It's not rotating. No power is developed. When no power is developed, what is the efficiency? 0. So when U is 0, rho will be 0. When rho is 0, no power developed. No power developed. When no power is developed, the efficiency will be 0. This is the case of rho ka value 0, efficiency 0. Now, where is the efficiency maximum? When U by V is half. Here the efficiency is maximum. Here the efficiency is maximum. Here the efficiency is maximum. Excellent. Now I'll ask you one question. If U by V1 is 1, what does it mean? U is equal to V1. मतलब देखो, nozzle से fluid जा रहा है, blade जा रहा है. But nozzle से जो fluid आ रहा है, when both are moving, देखो, ये भी जा रहा है, ये भी जा रहा है. When both move with same velocity, will this hit? क्या ये hit करेगा? नहीं. When it is not hitting, my power is not developed. So what will be the power? 0. When power is 0, efficiency is also 0. So again, when the rho is equal to 1, the efficiency will be 0. Can anyone tell when rho is 1, why the efficiency is 0? When rho is 0, why the efficiency is 0? Can anyone tell? When rho is 1, why the efficiency is 0? Yes. देखो, power should be developed by what? By hitting this fluid on the runner. देखो इधर देखना बेटा, please देखो. Look at. It is not hit. When both are moving at same velocity, it's not hitting. When it is not hitting, it is not developing any power. So मेरा input क्या है? Kinetic energy. My kinetic energy is not resulting in any hitting. So therefore, no power. No power means no efficiency. Again, it is 0. So therefore, if you are plotting, you are getting something like this. This is the, have you followed, my dear students? This is my curve. This is my curve. Hope you have understood. Please tell me, have you followed? Oh my God, it is 1 hour हो गया. तो कल का क्लास क्या होगा मैं बताऊंगा. Tomorrow I'll be concentrating on hydraulic efficiency. सुनो ध्यान से. Tomorrow I'll be focusing on hydraulic efficiency, blade efficiency. Then of course runner efficiency होगा, mechanical efficiency, overall efficiency, link between all, and some numericals based on this to make you understand neatly. Okay, maza ase gelo. Thank you beta Ankit. So love from Bengal. Thank you. Convey my best regards to Mumta Banerjee also. Okay, so nice class. Thank you. Maza Avesh. Thank you. God bless you. Though, but my problem is, okay. धन्यवाद. Thank you. आप लोग बताऊंगा गौरव यादव. कोई दिक्कत नहीं, but you should be regular. You should, yeah. Tomorrow I'll come, Sunil. Tomorrow I'll come to you. Why it is 0.46? Why practically? Why not 0.5? Okay. Okay. Right. चलो आज हम कल शाम tomorrow again 2 to 3 I'll take class, and evening 8 o'clock we have regular RAC class. Thank you. Okay. Cyclone plus Corona is Murphy's law. Oh my God, ये कहाँ से आया? Goodbye. तो शाम में मिलेंगे, and tomorrow at 2 o'clock we are meeting again. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you.